Welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we have a really exciting category. It's lighting, and RYOBI is not disappointing with their expansive line. Lighting is so important. A lit job site is a much safer job site. And whenever you're working on a particular project, the more you can see, the better your quality will be, which is what we all want. Now, RYOBI in this extensive line has transitioned exclusively to LED lighting. It's cooler and it's going to actually be much brighter than the older models of halogen or incandescent bulbs. Let's start with the first model, the LED light. This compact fixture packs 280 lumens. Now, lumens is just a count of how much actual light comes out of the fixture itself. 280 lumens at a 500-foot beam is going to illuminate the path in front of you. This is a great, comfortable tool to walk around the backyard with, go through a crawl space, or just see anything in a relatively close proximity. Again, nice and compact and convenient. Next up, we have got the LED area light and the LED compact area light. The LED is really convenient with this folding hook design for really easy storage and hanging. It also has a really nice feature with a USB charger on the side. This is perfect for all of your devices on the go. The LED compact area light actually gives off 400 lumens. This is the perfect tool for sitting on the top of your workbench or just any general area where you're working around the house. All right, speaking of work lights, I love the LED Workbench work light. This thing offers 270-degree rotation with illumination on 2 panels. It has a folding handle. This thing is really, really incredible. At 950 lumens, this is gonna fill up the whole area of your workshop really effortlessly. Speaking of work lights, now we have the hybrid LED project light. This guy has some great features with a magnet base. Of course, it rotates, has the nice metal hook. This is super robust at 900 lumens and 3 different light adjustment settings. This is an ultimate flexibility light for any DIYer or pro. All right, all these models so far have been perfect solutions for a workshop or a tighter work area. But what if your work area is a lot bigger, or maybe it's outside and you can't have your light source super close? This is the hybrid LED floodlight. We're gonna jump in lumen count all the way up to 1800 lumens. This is really, really bright. This is the type of light that you would set maybe outside if you're working on the front of your home. This is going to expand really, really wide and illuminate an entire huge area. It offers 360-degree rotation and 2 different base mounting options, which makes it really convenient. Now, a similar form factor is the hybrid LED 20-watt work light. This one's even more powerful. It's going to illuminate an even broader area. So if you want to get that light further away, or you have a much larger structure or work environment you're trying to illuminate, this guy is great. 360-degree rotation, again, 2 different mounting options with the base, but this one offers even tripod mounting for extra flexibility. Let's check out the LED dual-powered spotlight. This is great for on-the-go floodlight needs at 2500 lumens, which is a lot. I like to keep one of these in my truck, in my toolbox, or in the back seat in case you need to stop on the side of the road at night. It's going to allow you to be seen and to see whatever you need to. It also has dual power, so it runs off the 18-volt 1+ battery, or you can plug it in with a 12-volt adapter right into the truck. Really, really convenient. Now, you can never have too much light, and that's one reason I love this hybrid LED panel light. This small and compact tool packs a huge punch at 3000 lumens. It even has these really cool side articulating LED panels that illuminate to the sides and even slightly behind, and the entire panel rotates down forward so you can dial everything in. With 3 different lighting modes and these articulating panels, you can point the light exactly where you need it. This is a perfect product for jobs like drywall finishing, where you need the light and the intensity in the right spot, ensuring you leave no seam left behind. All right, last but certainly not least, we have got the hybrid LED tripod stand light. This is a must-have for any job site because of its versatility. It telescopes up to 5 feet and down to only 22 inches. With a variable lumen output from 700 all the way up to 2700, combined with its hybrid ability to be able to plug into AC or run off of the 18-volt 1+ system, this guy is gonna get the job done day in and day out. With so many lights on the 18-volt 1+ system, there's sure to be a light for every job. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Tuesday tips, DIY projects, new product announcements, and more. And make sure to leave us a comment down below and let us know what you would like to see next. We'll see you next episode.